Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export from the Flatplan. So when exporting from the Flatplan, all you need to do is open up the Flatplan and find the feature or features which you want to export. So let's say I want to export this feature here. Now, something to bear in mind is that you have to have this option selected rather than this option. And I'll show you what happens when we use this option. So if I do the same as what I just did then, you notice that it no longer has the little dots around the outside. It has this grey box instead. So if I try to export, and to export you right click the asset and choose asset and then export, you'll see it says no file, because what you're doing is you're trying to pick up what we call the main element, so what the pages are actually sat on top of, and there's no content there. So what you want is what we call the child element. So this is when we select this one. If you hover over this option, it does tell you it is called the child element option. So if you want to select this, it will keep as a default, but it's just something to bear in mind that if you're exporting and see no file, just check that. So that's selected. Go back and we choose the feature which we want to export. We then right click, choose asset, export, and then it comes up with a list of different options for the files which we can export. And what's available depends on where the layouts are in their workflow. So this feature has already gone to press, so there are already some PDFs available there for me. So what I can do is I can select the asset file types which I want. Just so you know, just bear in mind that if you want, you can't export InDesign documents if you don't have InDesign on your machine, but you can export the PDFs and the JPEGs. So we choose what we want, just a PDF. And then we click on the export, say on the desktop, and then choose select. And that's it.